Hi, this is the alarm clock project which I have created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And the basic features of this project are that a clock is there which displays the current time, and this time is being updated every second. Then we have three input fields for hours, minutes and seconds where the user can enter any value as per his requirement. We also have a set alarm button, pressing which the alarm is set. This is the place where all the alarms which are set by the user are displayed, the blue blocks. Let us say the user sets the alarm something like this. So this alarm is being displayed here, and a delete alarm button is also provided with each of the alarms so that the user can delete any of the alarms. So he can set multiple alarms. Yes. So let us see what happens when any of the alarm goes off. So when the time for any of the alarm is reached, an alert like this is displayed that it's time to wake up, and the alarm goes off. And so yeah, these are the basic features, and for deleting any alarm we have to just press the delete alarm button and the alarm is removed from the list. So let us talk about the code now. So the HTML structure of this application is pretty simple. We have a section where all the functionalities related to setting the alarm are there, and the second section is where the list of all the alarms is displayed. So in the section we have a div whose ID is display, and here the clock showing the live time is there. And then we have a heading, we have input fields for hours, minutes and seconds. And then we have the set alarm button whose ID is set alarm btn. And then we have the alarms list where the list of all the alarms is there. In the css pretty simple. We have used tags for the styling of the placeholder and for the button, alarm button hover basically. So these are the stylings for that. And after that, in the JavaScript we have a function named update time, which updates the time each second. And this function is handled by the set interval function, which updates the time after 1000 milliseconds, which is basically 1 second. And then this function also handles the event when any of the alarm goes off. So this alarm list is the array which contains all the which contain all the alarms which are set by the user, and this shows the alert also. After that we have event listener. We have added this event listener on click to btn1. Btn1 is extracted from the DOM using the set alarm btn get element by id. After that we also have checks on the alarm. If the user hasn't set any alarm, then also we are showing an alert. After that we are also checking whether the alarm is correct or not, and we are also checking the duplicacy, if the alarm whether the alarm already exists. Then we are adding the alarm to the list for its display. We have a delete button, and on click we have added a function which deletes the parent node on the click of the delete button. And these are for resetting the input value after each button press, set alarm button press. So this is the JavaScript. We have used vanilla JavaScript, and this basically is the alarm clock project. Yeah, so thank you.